invention actually is the nectar, is the thing that's critical to progress. And MIT is a place which is about invention. I suppose there was a sense of slight coming home, finding this place. There seemed to be a different level of exceptional focus on progress through ideas and developing those ideas. Whether you call something design or engineering or architecture, to me it's all the same. And it felt like MIT did put it all together and was about ideas. So getting this letter suddenly saying, you're being offered this incredible honour or award, my heart sort of went, as a sort of link to somewhere whose values I cherish.